We've all heard it. You need to save up money for a down payment if you want to buy a home. It has to be 20%. What if I told you that people buy homes every day with zero down payment needed? Zero down payment. Yes, you heard me right. Zero. Here are some loan programs to think about and discuss with your mortgage specialist. United States Department of Agriculture, or USDA Loans. Maybe your first thought is a farm. A cow, a pig, maybe some sheep. Well, that's a myth. The USDA Home Loan Program is for properties within designated rural areas. But you'd be surprised how many homes qualify for USDA loans. If you think this loan is your best option, search the USDA eligibility map to find the areas near you that qualify so you can start your home search. Link in the description. If the home you decide to buy qualifies and you meet the income limits for that county, you may finance up to 100% of the purchase price. USDA loans also allow for the seller to pay closing costs, meaning you would not have to bring any cash to the closing table. Truly 100% financing. There are first-time homebuyer grant programs in many states that will assist you with your down payment or cover it all together. What is a first-time homebuyer? Anyone who hasn't bought a home or hasn't been a homeowner for the past 3 years. Using gift funds and down payment assistance from state programs to obtain zero-down mortgage is possible for a lot of people. Government programs and grants can be reviewed on the HUD website, or you can reach out to your mortgage specialist to provide specific information about your area. The down payment on Federal Housing Development, or FHA, home loans can be 3.5%, depending on your credit. And this program will let you use gift money from a grant or a nonprofit organization or a relative for the whole down payment amount. That means you can get one of those first-time homebuyer grants that we talked about earlier and use it for a down payment and have 0% financing. Check for grant programs in your state. For example, the Ohio Housing Finance Agency, or OFA, offers 0% down payment from the borrower with a 5% down payment assistant grant. Or another example is Grants for Grads program, where the down payment is forgiven, meaning you don't have to pay it back, as long as you remain in the home for 5 years or more. If you are a doctor, there are doctors programs that offer 100% financing with no mortgage insurance, depending on eligibility. This program applies to those with an MD, DO, DDS, DVM, VMD, or DMD degrees and have a higher loan limit than some other zero-down programs. Last but not least, Veteran Affair Loans, otherwise known as VA loans, offer a zero-down payment option that many private lenders, such as mortgage companies or banks, can offer. To qualify, the primary borrower must have at least 2 years previous military experience or have been actively serving for 90 days or more. These programs help you buy a home with no money down and no mortgage insurance as well. If you're a veteran, you should check with your lender about VA loans. They are truly an amazing option for those that have or are serving in the armed forces. The point is, zero down payment options are out there and every day making dreams of owning a home a reality. If you have any questions on this topic or any mortgage topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out to us at info@callequity.com. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.